Earth is a strange, crazy place. There is so much going on at once. Have you ever wondered how much has happened throughout history? We have discussed historical figures, celebrations, and civilizations so far. However, what about the story of the stage that has hosted all these events throughout history? This is our home, where once dinosaurs ruled and mammoths went extinct. Today, we will cover the history of our beloved planet Earth and how it has been impacted by human activity. Life has evolved over the years, and mankind has become the dominant force. As a result, the Earth has undergone significant changes. About 4.5 billion years ago, in the midst of this cosmic ballet, a remarkable event took place. A cloud of gas and dust, a remnant from the explosion of a massive star, began to collapse in on itself. Slowly but surely, gravity worked its magic, pulling the particles closer together. Our Earth began as a hot, molten ball of rock. Temperatures soared to unimaginable levels, and volcanic eruptions roared across the surface. It was a turbulent time, an era known as the Hadean Eon. But in the midst of this chaos, something extraordinary happened. As temperatures cooled, our planet's surface began to solidify, forming the first rocks. Rainfall, caused by relentless volcanic activity, led to the formation of oceans that filled vast basins. These early oceans played a pivotal role in Earth's history. They acted as cradles for life, providing a nurturing environment in which the first microorganisms would emerge. As we transition into the Archean Eon, about 3.8 billion years ago, the stage was set for the dawn of life. In the depths of these ancient seas, microscopic life forms known as prokaryotes flourished. Prokaryotes, with their simple cell structures, marked the beginning of life on our planet. They paved the way for the incredible diversity of life that would eventually evolve. As we venture deeper into the past, we come to a time when our planet was nothing like the world we know today. A world unlike any other. A time when colossal creatures ruled the land, the skies, and the seas. The Mesozoic era, often referred to as the Age of the Dinosaurs, began about 252 million years ago and lasted an astonishing 180 million years. It was a time of remarkable diversity as these ancient giants roamed our planet. Within the Mesozoic era, we find several distinct periods, each with its own unique array of dinosaurs. There's the Triassic period, where the first dinosaurs appeared, followed by the Jurassic period, made famous by the mighty sauropods and theropods. And let's not forget the Cretaceous period, home to some of the most iconic dinosaurs, like the Tyrannosaurus rex. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes, from the towering long-necked sauropods to the swift and agile birds of prey. These prehistoric giants weren't just fascinating creatures. They played a crucial role in shaping the ecosystems of their time. Some dinosaurs, like the Triceratops, were herbivores that influenced vegetation by grazing and spreading seeds, while others, like the Velociraptors, were apex predators at the top of the food chain. Imagine the vibrant landscapes of the Mesozoic era, where lush forests and ancient rivers provided habitats for these incredible creatures. It was a world of wonder and danger, where survival meant adapting to changing conditions. As we continue our journey through Earth's history, we must confront some of the most profound and catastrophic events that have shaped our planet and its life forms. Throughout Earth's long history, there have been several mass extinctions, events that wiped out a significant portion of life on Earth. These events reshaped the course of evolution and left lasting effects on our planet. One of the most devastating mass extinctions occurred about 252 million years ago, at the end of the Permian period. Known as the Permian-Triassic extinction, it wiped out more than 90% of marine species and about 70% of terrestrial species. Scientists believe a combination of factors contributed to the catastrophe, including volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and climate change. It was a dark chapter in Earth's history. Another infamous event is the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, which occurred about 66 million years ago. This event wiped out the mighty dinosaurs and many other species. It's believed that a massive asteroid impact, along with volcanic activity, played a key role. Mass extinctions, as devastating as they were, also paved the way for new life forms to emerge. After each extinction, the survivors filled the ecological niches left vacant, leading to the diversification of species. As we journey through Earth's history, we are immersed in the transformative events that led to the rise of mammals and, eventually, humans. The Cenozoic era, which began about 66 million years ago, marked a major turning point. It witnessed the decline of the mighty dinosaurs and the rise of a new group of creatures, mammals. Mammals, with their warm-bloodedness, fur or hair, and ability to nurse their young, were well suited to the changing world. They diversified into various forms, from tiny shrew-like creatures to giant ground sloths and mammoths. During this time, the Earth's continents continued to shift and assume their current positions. This geological dance had a profound effect on the evolution of life, creating new habitats and challenges for mammals. Among the diverse mammals, early primates evolved. These tree-dwelling creatures had grasping hands and stereoscopic vision. Fast-forwarding to more recent times, about 200,000 years ago, we encounter our own species, Homo sapiens. These remarkable beings, with their complex brains and capacity for language and innovation, would go on to dominate the planet. Through their unique ability to create tools, form complex societies, and record knowledge, humans became the architects of their environment. They developed agriculture, built civilizations, and unlocked the secrets of science and technology. Our planet today is very different from its ancient past. We are in an era of remarkable achievements and unprecedented challenges. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century, brought incredible technological advances. But it also triggered significant changes in the Earth's atmosphere and ecosystems. One of the most pressing challenges we face is climate change. Human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation have led to a rapid increase in greenhouse gases, resulting in rising temperatures and extreme weather events. Beyond climate change, we are witnessing the devastating effects of pollution, habitat loss, and species extinction. These issues threaten the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the biodiversity of our planet. Even the smallest things in our daily lives affect Earth. Excessive use of plastic materials is a huge problem for our beloved home, especially when they are not recycled and get thrown around. Microplastics have even been found in the deepest place on the face of the planet, the Challenger Deep. Researchers found the highest levels of microplastics yet found in the open ocean, compared to surveys from elsewhere in the Pacific, Atlantic, and Arctic oceans. Even this single example shows how far pollution has penetrated our beloved home. But in the face of these challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts around the world are working to protect endangered species, restore habitats, and combat environmental degradation. Innovations in clean energy, such as solar and wind power, offer sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. These technologies have the potential to reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. It's important to remember that we all share this planet, and addressing these challenges requires global cooperation and commitment. The power of collective action cannot be underestimated. As we conclude this chapter, remember that we are not just observers, but active participants in Earth's ongoing narrative. Our actions matter, and it is our responsibility to protect and preserve this precious planet for future generations. I invite you, Wisdom Seeker, to join us in this unending exploration of knowledge and discovery. Let your curiosity be your guide, and let us embark on this journey together. for the history of our planet is an epic story with many more chapters yet to be written. Thank you for being a part of Trail of Wisdom. Until we meet again on this wondrous trail of knowledge, keep seeking, keep learning, and keep your sense of wonder alive. Don't forget to subscribe so you can find out more in our channel.